Thanks, Josh. This morning off to a quiet start, but we are seeing a little bit more cloud cover than perhaps this time yesterday. You're noticing also just some peaks of that sunshine, something you'll see over the next few hours. A live look out of our 13 WRAX camera shows us a pretty quiet start this morning, and we are anticipating a cold front to move through, bringing us not only a potential for active weather, but then, of course, some cooler conditions. As of right now, though, most of us are quiet. We're seeing some activity develop closer to I-80. We might end up seeing some spotty rain closer to I-88 over the next few hours, but a lot of us are looking to get plenty of dry time for today. Temperatures this morning dropping into the 50s, so not too bad, at least a little warmer than this time yesterday. 55 degrees in Roscoe, 49 in Rochelle, 54 in Dixon, and actually comparing the temperatures we felt 24 hours ago, definitely a little bit of a change. Nearly 20 degrees warmer in Rockford, 12 degrees warmer in Freeport, 17 degrees warmer near Sterling. So you might notice that as you head out the door, at least early this morning, you might not need as warm of a jacket. In fact, temperatures are going to climb as we also see a potential for stronger storms reaching us later this afternoon, especially after the 2 o'clock hour. Looks like parts of the area are under a 1 out of 5 when it comes to that severe potential. So near I-39 and further to the east, the biggest concern, if any of those isolated storms become severe, will be damaging wind gusts, large hail, and a tornado also can't be ruled out. Let's see what that looks like on Future Track. Early this morning, we'll see some showers moving close to I-80. This is about 10:30, so really not until mid-morning. Might see some spotty activity close to I-88 as we get closer to about 11 o'clock, but notice the bulk of the area does stay dry. We stay that way even through lunch as we slowly start to see some of those isolated showers and storms start to develop into your afternoon. This is now after 3 o'clock. Notice how isolated they are. They continue really within the same area that we saw that outlook. So near I-39 and to the east, some of these may gain severe strength. So keep that in mind. Not everybody will see it either. This is 5 o'clock, and then after 8, we start to dry things off. Cloud cover will also follow any of that activity. Temperature-wise today, we flirt with the 70s, awfully mild, but again, we do have that potential for seeing an isolated strong storm into the afternoon as we also stay breezy, gusts near 35 miles an hour, if not closer to 30 once we get into tonight. But your temperatures are really going to start to fall. As that cold front moves through, we fall into those mid-30s overnight, but because we see a little bit of a breeze, we might just see patchy frost develop. A better potential for widespread frost comes Wednesday night. We drop to freezing, if not a few degrees below. We'll be off to a frosty start early Thursday, but then we recover, just dropping into the mid-40s by Thursday night. Speaking of recovery, those cooler temperatures don't last very long, 55 degrees and sunny, may I add, into Wednesday and Thursday. Then we're back into the 60s. Also starting to warm up once we get into the weekend. But in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we have a better potential for seeing widespread showers and storms Friday. Might even get another potential of some stronger storms to develop into the weekend. That's, of course, something we'll monitor and know more of once we get closer to Saturday and Sunday. But it looks like we stay mild and even active through the extended forecast. Dylan.